Today we on the cord, y'all, making a custom exhaust, getting rid of this big ass shit. So anyway, we got some pipe. The rest of the exhaust already straight pipe, so yeah, we're gonna cover it here.
Right at the edge of it.
Alright guys, so now when you welding, you gotta have a good like contact point. So we got that, and we got that. I'ma sand this down, so we got a very good contact point. And that's really all we need to do with that.
Gives us a good old groove if we need to weld it. We ain't got to weld it when we do it. There you go. Damn metal.
There. Gasket, I was gonna make my gasket. Yeah. Put the gasket on there too if we can. Oh, this was hanging right here. Yeah, this was hanging right here. And that was on like that. So, slide that through the hole. Get that held on with one bolt. And we need to take and cut this pipe right here, because this is where the tip is going to go. So, let that bare metal, we're going to just cut this. Yo, gotta move y'all, man. I'm also gotta move the cut with the we got everything on. We just need to honestly put this up there and tack it on. Which I'm about to do. So let me go get the welder. We can put this on, give a few tacks, and tack it all the way around. And then just exhaust tip and all that. Tripod also. Alright, so we got the welder here. My brother said he got this welder for like 20-something bucks. So the guy couldn't get it to work, but that right there, here is our ground, right here. So that needs to be hooked on that. Right there. And then, that's ready to rock, so set y'all on.
working. Yeah, looks like it's working good. Test this real quick. Test fit. Got no test fit on. Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah, Benny. That probably ain't going there about like that. Let me get my tip right here. Just slide that over the top of that. Have that like that. Okay. I get it about right there. That's completely solid to it. Yeah, that works right there. Right there is where I need to tack it at. So get this, come right here. Alright, so now goes. Got the tip welder on the now we just need to bolt the exhaust back. Got any on it though? Yeah, I'm just gonna bolt it back up. It's not better or worse. That's gonna be a rough week. Let's see.